The last portion of this got cut off. I hit my time limit, so this last part is the component 3, which is the promoting community engagement. So for this, I would be, by showing the signs of promoting a parental advisory group for the students within the school is showing positive signs for building relationships with the school and community. So by Mrs. Rose's drive to try and get this engagement within the parental group, the school and the students are going to benefit, and the community will see this as a positive step for the school because they're trying to incorporate more involvement within the school with parents and families. That next part is by proposing the idea of more family involvement and activities within the school, the engagement among parents and students should increase. So for instance, like at sporting events, more parents and families will be in attendance if they have to work for maybe an hour at the gate entrance. This is bringing in more people to see, they'll familiarize themselves with more families within the school and more students within the school, as well as the school staff. The last one was by simply thanking those parents that came to that initial meeting and by reaching out to them. And I think especially having a personalized phone call to each, since it was just the 8 parents, that dividing wall between the school and the home is being broken. It's no longer seen as 2 separate quantities. It's now the school is trying to reach out and really be more involved within that student's life. So I think that's a huge step for the school, and the community will see that involvement, and the school will be now viewed in a totally different light. So overall, that concludes the case study for parental apathy. Thank you for watching.